Good Wednesday morning. How are you guys doing today? We had a rain shower early this morning, but now the sun has come out, and I just remembered that I haven't updated you on project 1 for the summer in the RV, which is the, let's see if I can say it, the shower to closet no build conversion. They have all these fancy schmancy terms for things these days. So that's what the kids are calling it these days, a no build conversion. I just call it a RV Reno, but whatever. Yeah, so I found the 2 videos and they're gonna follow this little intro and you'll get to see what happened. Okay, hold on, here it goes. Guess what we got from Amazon? The reflective and insulative pillow for the skylight in the shower. I hope it's the right size. It looks like it should be. Let's open it and get it up there. And we will be able to finish the closet project. What is this? Oh, it's a bag to store the pillow in when we're not using it. Well, I don't think we need that, but thank you. Okay. All right, let me put it in there and then I'll show you. Disaster strikes. So the pillow won't stay up. It's a tad bit too big, but should just be able to stuff it in there. And then the whole rod collapsed. Yay. Anyway, now I'm kind of bummed, but see what I can do next. That didn't go as well as I had hoped, but that's why I had to take a little bit of time off, because I was super bummed. Anyway, I did some other things and now I'm ready to circle back and finish it up today. Although, I don't know. I might have a surprise, because I might do something completely different, because I had a, let's say, bad experience in the RV shower the other day. So now I'm kind of thinking I might want to use my shower even if I don't have hot water. So yeah, stay tuned for part 2.